welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, as you can tell, it's a gloomy day. It's a little cold. It's like maybe low 50s, upper 40s. And I want to wash my car, but it's too cold for that. So I'll have to find another day. But I've neglected the interior of my car. And she's dirty. Very dirty. So that's what we're going to be doing today, along with installing a new shift boot from Lit and a new e-brake boot also. So kind of matches the car a little bit. So I just think the interior needs a little bit more spicing up. I mean, I got the exterior to kind of where I want it, kind of like where I like it. I just need coilovers, but right now that ain't in the budget. But I got these for Christmas. Luckily, my parents got them for me, or Santa. Yeah, so we're gonna be installing that. Hopefully it adds a little character, a little spice to the interior of the car, because it is kind of bland. I'll show you guys what I mean, along with how dirty the car is. Like, oh my goodness, it's bad. But like, look at that, it's so bland. Very boring and basic. So it's also suede. I love suede.
Is it suede? It's suede. I love suede.
Yeah, so it's something for you guys, something for me. Hopefully you guys like it, and I like the quality of it, so I'll leave a link down below of the company that I got it from. But first, we're gonna be starting off with cleaning the interior of the car. Absolutely just getting after it, because on my passenger side, I don't know what happened. Had to be a bottle from working out, or just, and I don't know what it is, but maybe just sweat too, because someone was sweating in here, and that looks disgusting. It looks way worse. I mean, in person, there's little spots here. You might be, yeah, it picks it up. Man, I'm out of breath. This thing is wearing me out. I decided to just wash this seat since this was the worst one. I thought I was gonna do mine, but it's already like 9 o'clock at night. Got a late start on this, and then I had to go do something. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the shift boot and e-brake boot. But I mean, look how clean it looks so far. It's nuts, it's insane. I'm very happy with how it's turning out right now. I wish I could have got my driver's seat vacuumed, just because those two seats are used the most, but it's fine. Now we just gotta hop in and finally get these shift boots installed.
Upgrades, people. Upgrades. That's how we make the dough.
I think the shift boot's going to be the easiest, so we'll go ahead and start with that. Okay, so talk about aggravating. So I finally got it all taken apart. Don't let it discourage you like it was discouraging me. But now you're one step closer to having a badass.
What did he say?
Shift boot. Let's go ahead and put that together. Should top off like that. So there's a tab right here. You just want to push down on all of these right there, like so. That way it'll release it. Cool. Okay. And I heard this is like glued on, so we'll have to see, but I don't have glue for mine, but it's huge.
That's what she said.
There we go. Okay, so the best way to do it is to grab on the inside and just pull it. It's gonna rip off. So if you're gonna replace these back, you'll just have to get some glue them back on where they last were. Cut down the threads a little bit. So I cut like that. Eventually I'll probably take it back out, sew it up. That way it actually looks good. Okay, so as you guys can see, all I did was make slits. So that way the fabric can go in and get pinched by whatever this thing is. All right, before I show you guys what it all looks like, the completely cleaned and finished interior of the shift boot and e-brake boot, only 97% of you that are watching are not subscribed. I greatly appreciate the other 2 point whatever percent. If you guys could please hit that subscribe button or even like or comment just to help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Now, let me know what you guys think of how it looks. Here you go. Alright guys, so that is the install and cleaning of the interior of my car. I really like the way it looks. I'm just not satisfied with how it was putting it all together and everything. I'm not sure if we ordered the wrong part or piece. Not sure if they're all like that. It was challenging with the e-brake, and then also aggravated me with the shifter, but I mean that's just how it is working on cars. You know, we can't get discouraged. Nothing ever goes smoothly, nothing ever goes perfect. So only I will know, and maybe some other people will know, the imperfections of this job. But I mean, it looks good. I'm happy with it. So I mean, it's something different instead of it being strictly the black leather. I think it looks really good. This one looks good too. So I'm happy with it. Hopefully you guys like it too. Maybe you guys will decide to purchase it from the same company called Lit. I'll leave their link down below. I really like the product. Like I said, really great product. It's just me, maybe not that good of an installer. Who knows? But something different, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching the video.